Hi Garrick, let's take a look at assigning names to ranges in the Chapter 7 mid-level. So on the screen I currently have the instructions for Step 8. In the database worksheet, select a range named criteria, assign a range name called criteria to the range A7 through J9. So I'm going to do that in the worksheet. So I'm going to flip over here, choose the database worksheet, and I'm going to select A7 through J9. I'm going to select that range. Oop, there we go. From the Data tab, not from the Data tab, from the Formulas tab, I'm going to click Define Name. And I'm going to name this thing Criteria, right? We could name it anything. You could name it Penny. It could be named anything. We're going to name it Criteria. And then the range that it gets assigned to is the database sheet, right? That's the name of the sheet. And then the range A7 through J9. Let it just accept what you've already selected. Keep everything else the way it is and click OK. Name already exists. Oh, right, because I've already done the step. I'm going to hit cancel. I can show you. I already have that name already existing because I've already done that step, sorry. And then the other one that you should have present, you didn't ask about it, but the other name that you should have present is the name database, which is assigned to the range A14 through J178. And again, don't let the name criteria or the name database trick you. It's just a name. Like we did earlier, way back in Excel beginning, we used names, and we could name these things anything. They're just trying to pick a word that's kind of descriptive of what we use it for. That range here, we're kind of trying to think of that range as the database of records. So that's why we're using the name database. Make sure that you have no spaces, no extra spaces, capitalization matters, spell it correctly, all that kind of good stuff. And then email me if you have any other trouble. And if you do still have trouble, send me your worksheet so I can dig in and take a look. Okay, thanks.